made the choice to go into the practice of law, I would say when I was around 3 years old, when I realized that my father was a lawyer, my uncles were lawyers, and both of my grandfathers were lawyers. And frankly, at that age, and for many years after that, into my young adulthood, I didn't think that there was anything else that a young male in my family could do. And so I chose to go to law school and to carry on that tradition that I had come to value and still to this day value. And quite frankly, I'm glad that I did, because it's given me the opportunity to help now generations of people. I enjoy the client contact. I like solving problems. I like getting results. And by that I mean, I like getting good results.